Ball heads are a dime a dozen these days, but Manfrotto is still making some of the best camera support gear, though it comes at a price. Why is the MHXPRO-BHQ2 so expensive? Well, it's the magnesium alloy construction and 33-pound load capacity. Most ball heads aren't even rated to hold over 10 pounds. The X-Pro is very simple to use. It has the RC2 quick release on top, a 3/8" mount on the bottom, a tension knob, a pan locking knob, and a ball socket locking knob. I love that Manfrotto put dual bubble levels on it so that you can ensure that your camera is level in both vertical and horizontal settings. I love that you get 3 knobs instead of 1, so you can really fine tune if you're going to pan or tilt, or even how the ball socket releases when you loosen it. I'm a big fan of the RC2 quick release system, but I haven't found an RC2 ball head I was super happy with until this one. It's not as easy to unlock one-handed as the older style, but I like to open the locking mechanism up before placing my gear on it. Also, with this system, you never have to wonder, like the old style, if you have the safety lever in the right position. It's got a 2-button release when you're ready to take the camera off, and it holds great. This ball head is heavier and sturdier than a lot of those $20 ball heads you find on Amazon, or the ball heads that are included with a lot of tripods or other equipment for free. The MHXPRO-BHQ2 is rated to support up to 33.1 pounds. I don't have any camera gear that weighs that much, but it supports my A7R III with a 28-75 lens, cage, handles, mics, and accessories with ease. The worst thing about this is the tension knob. It works, and you can make the ball socket tension higher or lower, but the tension knob is harder to spin than the other ones. I love the angled knobs for the ball socket and pan, and they're the type that can be pulled out and rotated if other gear gets in the way of tightening them all the way down. When you install the ball head, you also want to make sure if you have a set screw on the underside of your tripod that you tighten it. That way the head can't come unscrewed. I really like the MHXPRO-BHQ2. I wish the price tag was a little bit lower, but I haven't found any other RC2 ball heads that are this durable. When you're mounting expensive camera gear on tripods, you want to know that your gear is going to be safe and it's not going to fall off, and I feel confident in this Manfrotto ball head. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video, as I've got lots of great content with camera gear, smart home tech, and more that's going to be coming out soon. Also, if you'd like to purchase a Manfrotto ball head, please check out my links in the description below to help support the channel.